Okay, in this lesson, we're gonna talk about the rational numbers. Before we study the rational number, what numbers are rational numbers? We're gonna quick review about the different types of the numbers. Let's say the first one, it's called whole numbers. Whole numbers. Whole numbers. What are the whole numbers? It means all the numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till to infinity. Okay, these are is called the whole numbers. The second one is natural numbers. Natural numbers. What numbers are rational numbers? The difference between natural numbers and the whole numbers, 0 is not included for the natural numbers. So 1, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay. The third types of the number that we study, it was integers. Integers. Okay. What numbers are the integers, the positive and the negative numbers? It's called integers. Positive and negative number. Okay, the positive and negative numbers are integers, like let's say positive 15, negative 18. Okay, these are is the integers. But can we say negative 2.8 is integers? No, the decimal numbers cannot be integers. It is not belongs to the set of the integer numbers. Okay, so the decimal number cannot be integers. So only the positive and negative numbers, but the decimals are not a part of integers. Okay, can we say, let's say 1 over 2, negative 1 over 2, it's integers? No, we know it has the negative sign, we know, but this one, if you divide these two one, you will get the decimal number 0.5. So we say that it's 0.5, the decimal number cannot be integers. Okay, only the positive and negative numbers, but the decimal number is not a part of integers. Okay, today we're gonna study the new lesson, which is called rational numbers. So rational numbers. So any number that can be written like as a fraction like a over b, it's called rational numbers. Okay, any number that can be written like a over b, it's called rational numbers. For example, 0.85. 0.85 can be written like a over b. Is it a rational numbers? So let's check. We study how to change this one to the fraction by removing the point 85 over what? Two numbers. So 100. So this one, it's written like a over b. Okay, so that's why this one it's called rational numbers. Another example, 2 and 3 over 5. 2 and 3 over 5 is a mixed number, but we study how can we change the mixed number to the fraction. If we can write this mixed number as a fraction, we can say this mixed number is a rational number. Let's say 2 times 5, it's 10 plus 3, it's going to be 13. So 13 out of 5. So it is rational numbers. Okay, again, the whole numbers, we say start from 0 till infinity. The natural number is 0 is not included. Integer and positive and negative numbers, but the decimal numbers are not a part of integers. Rational numbers, any number that can be written a over b like fraction, if we can change it to the fraction, it's called rational numbers. Okay, let's go to these questions. let's say this one, 3 and 2 over 5. 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 Can we change to the fraction? 3 times 5, 15, plus 2, 17. So 17 over 5. Yes, it's rational because we can write it like A over B. Okay? Another example, negative 2.5. Negative 2.5. Is it a rational number? Can we write as a fraction? Can we write in this form A over B? Let's check. Changing decimal to the fraction by removing the point, going to be 25 over 10. So negative 25 over 10. We have one numbers after the decimal point, so 1 0. Okay, so let's see how the question is coming in this lesson. Let's say rational numbers question. Which of the following, let's say, which of the following which of the following numbers, integers and rational number, let's say A, let's say 2 and 1 over 3, B it is 8, C it is 0. Let's say negative 0.62, D let's say none. Let's check. So which of the following numbers, integers and rational number, both of them? Integers, we say that only positive and negative numbers, okay? Only positive and negative number. This one is a mixed, it cannot be. This is, look at this one. You might C is the correct answer. You might say C is the correct answer, but C it is not the correct answer. Do not say this is the negative sign, so that's why it can be the integers. No, because we say that the decimal number cannot be integers, okay? So that's why C it's not correct. So go back to the first option, A, 2 and 1 over 3. If we change it, 2 times 3, 6, plus 1, 7 over 3. Okay, 7 over 3, it's a rational number. It's a rational. But is it integers? We say the integers only positive and negative number without the decimal numbers. Okay. B, where is the sign of this one? If the sign is invisible, we say that it's positive. So this one is not the decimal, so that's why positive 8 is integers. But is it rational numbers? Yes. How? So the denominator of all the numbers, the denominator is 1. So 8 over 1, it's written as a like in the form A over B. It's like A over B. So the correct answer is B. Okay? So this is the multiple choice. So the second types of the number, let's say, write each rational number in the form A over B. Negative 0.37, negative 0, question 3, negative 0.37. So 2 and 4 over 5, question 4, 2 and 4 over 5. Question 5, it says 0.889. Okay, how to write this question like in the form A over B, A over B, I mean rational number like A over B, how to write it? So to change the decimal number to the fraction like A over B, remove the point, 37 over 100, 20. Why? Because two numbers, negative, do not forget to put the negative sign. Okay, 2 and 4 over 5, 2 times 5, 10, plus 4, 14 over 5. It's written like over b. It's a rational number. So 889 over 1, 2, 3. So 30. So this is how to write the numbers or mix it or decimal or the whole number or the integers in the rational number in the form a over b. Okay, we have another types of the numbers. We have another types of the question. The question say find a rational numbers. Find a rational numbers between two given numbers. If we have two rational numbers, how can we find a rational number that we have between them? For example, like 3 over 4 and 1 over 2. So, question 20. Find a rational number between two given rational numbers. So, 3 over 5 and 1 over 2. So, how can we find a number that we have between these two rational numbers? We have to change each fraction to the decimal. So 3 over 4 change to the decimal and 1 over 2 change to the decimal by using the long division. If you're gonna draw draw the S letter, it will be very easy how to write it into long division. For example, 3 inside, if you turn like this, so 3 it will be inside and 4 it will be outside. Okay, so now put the point and the 0 straight up. How many 4 in 30? 7. 7 times 4, 28. Subtract it, gonna be 2. Try to make it the remainder, try to make it 0 by adding more 0 in the dividend and bring it down. So how many 4 in 20? We can say 5 is gonna be 25 times 4, it's 20. 0, 0. So the answer gonna be 0.75. Okay, if we change the first fraction to the decimal, gonna be 0.75. For the second one, it is 1 over 2. 1 is inside, 2 is outside. Okay, so now straight up the points again. How many 2 in 10? 5. 5 times 10, 0, 0. 0.5. 0.5. Okay, this one is 0.75. This one is 0.5. How many numbers do you have after the decimal point in here? In here 1. This is 2. We can add 1 0 in here. Now it's 0 point, because if you add a 0 at the end of the numbers in the decimals, the 0 it doesn't count it in here. So the value of this number will not change it. 0.50 and 0.75. What number is between 0.50 and 0.75? We can say 0.51, 52, 53 till 0.74. Okay, we can write any numbers because the question say find a rational number, only one numbers. Okay, so you have to find only one number. So I'm gonna say 0.58. Okay, so you can choose any number between 0.50 and 0.75.